Hi everyone, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today we are going to learn about animals and their sounds. Cat says meow. And the dog says roof. And the mouse says squeak. Bee says buzz. And the pig says oink. And the horse says neigh. The cow says moo. And the hen says cluck. And the bird says chirp. And the duck says quack. And the turkey says gobble. And the elephant says trumpet. And the chimpanzee says grunge. Hippopotamus rumbles. The lion says roar. And the fish say sing. And the donkey says hee ha. And the snake says hiss, hiss. And the frog says ribbit. And the fox howls. Hope you enjoyed with me, kids. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.